Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are doing great. In the last episode, we were able to tackle the shower pan, frame it in, get the shower niche in, and also get some plumbing done. In this episode, we're probably gonna get all of our lighting done and all the electrical done. I do have an electrician coming, so we gotta get everything cleaned up before that. We are going to get can lights. We're gonna probably put, I think it's 4, and then we're gonna put one straight over here. So we're gonna put one here. We're gonna split our vanity lights because we went from a single vanity to a double vanity. So we're gonna put 2 vanity lights, do 2 different switches or 2 different plugs. So we're gonna move the plug to the outside of where our vanity would be. We're also gonna put one here. These switches here are gonna turn into a toggle switch or a, I don't remember what they call them, but basically 2 switches on one switch, and that is going to wire up our vent fan as well as our pot light or can light inside of our shower. So this is where our bed is. This plug here is going to get switched to one there and one there, so we can put that at the side of our beds or near our nightstands. So this is our other bathroom. And in our other bathroom, I installed the vent fan. So we need to wire up that vent fan as well as put a pot light in the shower. So we're gonna have them do that as well. Kept that one short and sweet. Hope you guys liked it. The lights are all in, they look great. Now it's time to start the shower. See you on the next one.